guys, welcome back to another video. Well, we're not doing try not to laugh. I'm just showing you what my little brother sounds like when he's being annoying. Just wait for it. That's what my little brother sounds like. It's so annoying. He is annoying. It's just unbelievably annoying. Let's just duplicate this. Alright. Space beat. My little brother sounds like when he's annoying. So bye guys, hopefully now you know what my brother sounds like when he's annoying. So bye.